with Mizz KT.
Look! There's ah! Whoa! And there's 3 different spotlights. And they're 3 different colors. Whoa! This must be why Ah needed the lighting operator. We can help Ah. Okay, so let's figure out which spotlight works best for Ah. Yeah? Okay, so let's sing Ah, Ah, Ah for whichever one we think looks best. Yeah? Okay, so let's try it out. Ah, can you move to each spotlight? Let's do the first one. What do you think? Ah, ah, ah. Ah, ah, ah. Let's try the second one. What do you think? Ah, ah, ah. Ah, ah, ah. Okay, what about the third one? Can you go back to 2? Oh, yes. Ah, ah, ah. The rock stars have spoken. It's spotlight number 2. Well, you look like you're ready to perform, Thank you so much for your help. We've got some last-minute things to do. Will you help me? Okay, come on.
Tune in next time to see what happens on
Rockin' and Reading with Mizz KT.
Like and subscribe.